everyone, welcome back to my channel, to my subbies, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Sorry for missing in action, but it was finals, I'm in school. I'm dedicated my life to school to try and finish that because that's the most important thing, and YouTube comes secondary. So this video was originally supposed to be a unboxing video, but after reviewing that video I noticed my hands are ashy, toothpaste on my teeth, and something stuck to my hair. That wouldn't have do. I had to do this video again. So this will be a showing you the bag I got from Telfar. So this is a Telfar bag. This is my first Telfar bag. I purchased this bag in August and I just received it recently, and today, well, this month is December, and I did the bag security program. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically a made to order. Why they did that is because Telfar is a very popular brand, and when they have drops like normally on Mondays at 9, and for some reason the bags sells out in seconds because of the resale market. But to fix that, they decided to do a day that you could purchase any bag you want, any color, and the only downside was that you have to wait at least 2 to 3 months to get it. I did it because I didn't want to deal with the stress of buying a bag and, well, not even buying a bag, trying to buy the bag and not getting it, because a lot of people was frustrated and they voiced that, and this was a way of Telfar trying to fix that problem, and I'm so happy they did because I'm pretty sure I won't be able to get this bag. Okay, so the bag I got is this beautiful bag. So this is the medium size in the tan color, and it has a top handle. Also comes with non-detachable straps. The bag is not real leather, it's vegan leather. Vegan leather means doesn't come from an animal. It's made out of a polymer material, which is a man-made fiber, and you won't even know that this is different. The only thing with this is that I guess with leather, leather holds up better or it lasts longer. This will last as long as you take good care of it. I'm not gonna be wearing this every day, so I'm gonna be switching it up weekly. Maybe 1 week where I use this bag, another week use something different. But it's a beautiful bag. Looks like this. So this is a medium bag. For me, this is a small bag. I like big bags. If you're used to big bags, this would be like a just right or small bag. But if you look at size, it's a true medium size. It will fit like a 13-inch laptop. I have some stuff in here. So it comes with this button, so your bag doesn't stay open. So you can just open it or close it, and it's magnetic, so it snaps. It also has a zipper inside, so you can put stuff in there, stuff in there. It has the Telfar logo right there, and the inside the bag is lined with fabric, and the fabric matches the color of the bag. Reason why I love this bag is because it's so simple. It's like a simple bag, nothing fancy. Beautiful color. It comes in a lot of different colors. So this will not be my only Telfar bag. I ordered the newest bag they released, which is the Telfar UGG edition. That's coming sometime in March, between March and June next year. When it does come, I will do an unboxing. I'll make sure everything's in order, so I won't have to do this show and tell video again. But it's a beautiful bag. Why I was so attracted to the bag is the simplicity of the bag. It's nothing loud, it's very simple. It could go with any outfit. This color can wear with anything. It has different colors. They come in brights and they come in neutrals. The color I want next, I think I might try to order it when one drops, is the black and the cobalt blue. I think it's so beautiful. But this is the bag, so I'll just show you. So it has the logo right here, the T for Telfar. This is the back. The back is very plain. There's nothing at the bottom of the bag, no feet. So just the bag. Beautiful bag. Top handles and the straps. So I'm not sure if you could see. I'll try. So I'll tiptoe. So I'm 5'2.5", and this ends right on my hip area. You can wear it like this, or you could do cross body like that. And I think I will wear the bag like so, or you could stuff the straps inside the bag and use it as a top handle. The bag is so lovely. I think it's one of my favorite bags right now. I have stuff in it. As I said, it could hold a lot of stuff. So I have my makeup pouch, I have my wallet, I have some gloves, and my charger, and also I have a bottle of apple juice. So as you can see, it's a big bag and you can hold a lot of stuff. The shoulders will help with the weight, and if you wear crossbody, it shouldn't be too heavy on your shoulders, but it depends on what you put in the bag. The bag alone is very, very light. It's not a heavy bag. It's a super light bag, so you don't have any problems. The shape of the bag, when you first get it out the box, it comes very flat, very bended. It will have a crease in the back, but that will go away after some time. But this is the reason why I like the bag. It's not a structured bag. It's a very loose bag. Reason why they call it the shopping bag, because it's so, this is why I like it. It's just so, to me, it's so classic. Just a bag. Simple but not over the top. Yeah, so that's my Telfar bag. And that's all I have to share about the bag. Let me know what other colors you like or what bags you have. Also, if you have any question about the bag, leave them below. I'll answer them. Follow me on Instagram if you would like. I'll put my name somewhere in the screen, and I'll have a video up soon because I'm on break and I could do some more videos. It's gonna be a black on haul. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.